Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. I'm Shivani Gupta, and we continue to get you the latest, especially as far as the NCB probe into the drug nexus in Mumbai is concerned. First up, some breaking news coming in. Jaya Saha, who is already under the scanner and was interrogated again today, has been summoned by the NCB again tomorrow. Talent manager Jaya Saha faced her second round of NCB interrogation for over 4 hours today. She left the NCB office just a short while ago. Now, exclusive drug chats accessed by Republic TV show Jaya's role in drug nexus. She's quickly emerging as a kingpin or a main accused as far as the entire nexus is concerned, connected to her, because there are conversations that she has had with several other members of the film industry where she's being asked to procure banned substances for them. Let's also go across to Jan Ki Baat's Pradeep Bhandari, who's joining us. He was trailing Jaya Saha, who left the NCB office a short while ago, and now she's been called back, Pradeep. Certainly, a lot more that the agencies want to know from her.
Absolutely, Shivani. In fact, let's understand this. Jaya Shah is not just working in isolation. She's connected to a lot of big Bollywood superstars and big influential people who want to procure and peddle drugs. Now, if you look at the WhatsApp conversation of the group chat which Republic Media Network has exclusively put out, where two big Bollywood superstars, one K and another G, were in touch with Jaya Shah in order to get access to hard drugs. And Jaya Shah knew where the drugs were available, at what time they were available, in what quantity they could be made available. So she is a professional, I would say. She's professional in procuring drugs and peddling drugs, and she has been since long connected to a lot of Bollywood superstars, just not K&D. And similarly, the characteristic of working of this group of Jaya Shah along with K&D is how other Bollywood superstars work with different clones of Jaya Shah in order to procure, peddle drugs. This is why Jaya Shah's questioning becomes very important. The Narcotics Control Bureau, in fact, has called Jaya Shah again, because there have been, what our sources are telling us, the responses that she had given. Initially, she said that she does not take hard drugs, she's not aware of hard drugs. But today, when she was presented the evidences in the group chat, which was revealed in Republic Media Network by the investigative agencies, she could not answer the questions. So clearly, a lot of contradictions arising in Jaya Shah's testimonies, and the way the Narcotics Control Bureau is questioning Jaya Shah. In fact, they've called her back tomorrow. You will see a lot of big names coming up, Shivani.
Right. So tell us a little bit more about the conversations that she has been confronted with, Pradeep. Some of them we're also in possession of. Now, there are two such chats that we have accessed, screenshots of them, that reveal some more names. But there are others, some noted actresses whose names are already in the public domain, and they could be summoned. We'll get you a little bit of detail on that in just a bit. But, you know, a lot of evidence, and that too digital evidence, that the agencies have to confront Jaya Saha with.
Well, absolutely, Shivani. In fact, let's understand this, that there is a principle to the working of Jaya Shah. Now, if you look at the characteristic of the entire chats in the WhatsApp group with K&D, which is the first chat which I'm talking about, the chats basically reveal that Jaya Shah had the access to get drugs from any part of Mumbai at any time of the day or night, which means that this is something which came natural to Jaya Shah. It is not something which happened coincidentally. It was not a friendly chat where three friends, say, who met each other and wanted to just try their hands on drugs. No, it did not happen in that way. In fact, it was very professionally drugged. So if you see, one of the actors, K, in that chat asks, "Can I get drugs? Please, please, please." And she names the quantity of the drug. Jaya Shah says, "When do you need it?" The other actress, that is D, says that I need it at this time, and Jaya Shah says that it will be delivered at your disposal. So what I'm trying to reflect here is that in the entire drug racket, if you remember that the way Samuel, Rahel and all these people were caught, they also revealed a lot of big Bollywood names. So these big Bollywood stars, Shivani, work with these small peddlers who have access to from where the drug is coming from. And remember, Shivani, that a lot of consignments have been caught by the Narcotics Control Bureau in different cities, whether it is Delhi, Jammu, which had their destination as Mumbai. So this speaks volumes on how the integrated drug network of drugs work, where these small peddlers will lead you to the big names. And this is where Jaya Shah becomes very important, because if one of them topples Shivani, if it is Sara Ali Khan who's being summoned, tomorrow it might be D and K, or it might be another big superstar, then you will see the entire racket being summoned. And this is